In this video, you're going to see the most delicious date nut chocolate bundt cake. It's so good. I'm also going to taste the cake at the end, so stay tuned and don't go away. I'm going to let you know what I think. And you'll also see a review of these oven mitts by Geekom. Start by roughly chopping pitted dates, 7 ounces, and then adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda to 1 cup of very hot water, and then add your dates. Set that aside. In the mixing bowl of an electric mixer, add 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and beat that until fluffy. In another bowl, 1 1/3 cup of sifted flour, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Mix that up, and here's what the butter and the sugar look like. Now you're going to add 2 eggs. Just crack them in another bowl, and then add that to the butter and the sugar. Just mix that till blended. You may have to scrape the bowl a little bit. And then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now you can add the dry mixture. Give that a scrape. Make sure you get all that stuff in there, and then mix up the dates in the water and add that to the batter. Now you don't want to overbeat this, so just mix it till blended. And now you're going to take 6 ounces of chocolate chips, half a cup of walnuts chopped. You may want to chop that up a little bit more, and then mix that together. Now a 9-inch bundt pan is what you're going to need. I'm oiling it here with shortening. You can use a spray as well. And then putting a little bit of flour in there and dusting the pan. Now half of the chocolate and the nuts go into the bottom of the pan. The other half goes into the batter. Give that a stir. Add the batter to the pan and then just spread it around and make it even. Bake your cake for about 45 minutes in a preheated 350 oven. And while the cake bakes, I'll share with you my review. This is my honest review. Geekom sent me the gloves so that I could review them and share them with my audience. And the link is below if you want to try them out. First, I'm going to unwrap them. They feel really nice. So let's see. So there's silicone here, and this is more of a soft material. And inside, very nice. Well, they go high up on the arm, which is really good, so that will prevent you from getting burns. I want to see how good they are with picking up glassware. So they have like a stickiness to them, which is nice. So this is much better than a cloth glove. And they're very flexible. I have some eggs boiling right now, and I'm just going to try to pick those eggs up while they're hot with my Geekom gloves. All right, here we go. I'm going to stick my hand right in there. Cool. Woohoo! Also, you can wash them. And they also come with a little hook. You can also throw them into the laundry. So these gloves are good up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. My oven is set at 450, and I've got my lunch. And these gloves are they're clinging really well, so I don't have to worry about them slipping. I really like these gloves. There's a sale going on right now this month, so go check it out. I would highly recommend, and you can get all different colors. Yay! Thanks Geekom for sending me these gloves. I really like them. All right, now let's check on our cake. I'm using my new gloves, which I absolutely, really and truly love. Taking my cake out of the oven, and it looks like it's done. But I'm going to check it. So you want to check your cake with a toothpick, and the toothpick should come out pretty clean. And then you can also press it with your fingers, and it should bounce back. Perfect. Beautiful. Now you may have to use a knife to release the cake from the pan. I had a little trouble releasing it from the bottom. It stuck completely, so I used a knife, and it came out really, really nice. Pretty little platter. and some powdered sugar is all you really need to make this cake look so elegant. Okay, here's the taste test. The cake was really good. I didn't expect it to be as light as it was. Now, it was still a little bit warm when I was eating it, so the chocolate was all melted. It was just amazing. I was also surprised that you didn't get these big chunks of date. I guess the combination of the dates being soaked in the water and then cooked really made them kind of meld into the cake, which was really, really nice. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more great recipes and cake decorating and have a little fun with me and Scott. See you guys later.